everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis. And we're on the go this week, quite a bit. Saturday we went to the store and got all the last minute things that you need for Thanksgiving dinner, because this year the stores are actually going to be closed for Thanksgiving, or so they say. We'll wait until Thanksgiving to find out for sure. Went to church Sunday. Our son came home Saturday afternoon. Yeah. And greenhouse came on Monday. We waited all day for it. We were told it was supposed to come between 2 and 5. It came at 4. Our neighbor was so kind to come down with his tractor. Made unloading that greenhouse so quick. We put the 7 bundles of steel we put on the edge of the forklift. He took it to where we wanted it and we unloaded it. He went back, got the pallet, brought it up, unloaded it, and we were done. Just that quick. A lot better than last time. Last time it was the coldest day of the year when we got it. So the weather was much better this year, and we basically knew what we were getting into this time. There was one piece that was damaged. The driver of the semi didn't really know how to handle it, so he had to call in to his headquarters to find out how he was supposed to handle it. Said he would fill out a damage report, and then I called Grower Solution, where I got the greenhouse from. Told him that we had a smashed in on one of the bows. Of course, it was after they were closed by the time we got around to it, because they're an hour behind us. Let's see, it's 8 o'clock. It was 8 o'clock their time and 9 o'clock our time when I got the phone call on Tuesday. So they're a little, there's an hour's difference there. So they were already closed by the time I got the package, the greenhouse delivered. So I called and left a message. And Josh called early Tuesday morning and asked for pictures, asked if they had a damage report, and I said no, everything was electronic. I said, I even asked the guy if I needed to sign for it, and he said nope, it was all electronic. So I sent pictures to Grower Solution, and he quickly called back, said he got the pictures, and I had 2 choices. I could either try to take a screwdriver and bring the pipe back up to normal from being smashed, or they could send a new pipe. I told him to send a new one. I'm not super strong, and my husband tried, and it just didn't look as smooth and round as a new one, and we know we'd have trouble getting it into the other pipe. So they said they would send out another one. It wasn't 2 hours later, and I got a message from FedEx saying that my package was waiting to be shipped. So I would recommend that if you're thinking of getting a greenhouse, go ahead and check out Grower Solution. Very considerate and nice people to work with. After I got that phone call and got that all taken care of, we decided to come to town. I had gotten some fish from Walmart a couple of weeks ago, about a week ago, put in the freezer, and last night we fixed it, and it was the worst tasting fish we have ever eaten. Well, I don't know what happened. I mean, this is the brand I usually bought, and we usually love it. It was terrible. So today we decided to take it back to Walmart and get our monies back. It was like over almost $10 for the package. So there's no use to pay $10 for a bunch of fish that you're not going to be able to eat. I wouldn't even feed this stuff to my cats. And it just was awful. So while we were in town, he decided that he wanted to go and do some workout at the gym. I had a headache, and had taken some aspirins and decided that I just was not in the mood to work out. So he's in the gym and I'm out here filming the first part of this video. After that, we're going to go to our favorite restaurant. It's a family-owned restaurant that has been in our town for a long time, and it's been closed for 2 weeks due to remodeling. So I'm so happy that they feel confident enough in this economical crisis that we're in to be able to spend some money to upgrade their restaurant. So hopefully we'll be able to go there this afternoon and check that out. Well, we didn't get to go to our restaurant that we liked. They had a sign on the door saying they were still closed. But we did get home and there was a message on Facebook saying that they're going to be open this Saturday. So hopefully they get this restaurant remodeled and opened again. Wednesday, my husband went to town and I stayed home because I wanted to get the house cleaned up before Thanksgiving, which is only Thursday. So I worked on the computer also. I had like 16,000 emails that I had not even read. They were spam. I mean, I go through the emails every day and see if there's anything personal or business related. But the rest, the spams, I just kind of skip instead of getting rid of them. So I spent a little bit of time doing that. Got it down to 15,000. Making progress, slowly but surely. Try to unsubscribe to a lot of them, but it seems like they don't want you to unsubscribe. They say, oh, do you really want to, or whatever, and they just keep you back in circles and circles and circles. So you think you're unsubscribed, and you're really not. I have been trying to unsubscribe from this one for over 2 years now, and I'm not even sure how they got my name in the first place, because I'm not interested in this at all. I never have been, but that they keep sending me this spam. And I hit the button that says unsubscribe, and it just doesn't work. I just keep doing it. So I worked on that, and then our middle son left to go to town. And so since I had the whole house to myself, I decided it was time to get into top-notch cleaning mode. So I ran the sweeper, I mopped the floors, I dusted, all that stuff, finish the laundry, all that stuff that I wanted to get done before Thanksgiving. And then I prepped up everything for Thanksgiving. Put out the spices that I needed. Put out the food cans I needed. So wrote a list of the stuff I needed to do. What I needed to get out of the freezer yet. And just kind of organized for Thanksgiving. And I was up early on Thanksgiving. Got the turkey out of the fridge and into the oven before anybody ever got up. And I was in the kitchen cooking from, oh gosh, 7:45 until 2 o'clock when we ate. Our oldest son was supposed to come down the night before, but he got off work late, and so he called that night before and said it would be Thursday that he would come down for Thanksgiving. So we waited for him and waited for him. We told him it was going to be eating at 1, and things kind of slowed down or speeded up or whatever you want to say. Well, I didn't have dinner ready until 2, which was fine because he pulled in right at 2. So we all got to sit down and eat Thanksgiving dinner together, which was nice. He had asked for pecan pie and for green bean casserole, and I'd never fixed a green bean casserole before. I have no idea why, because of all the food I fixed, the only empty dish I had was the green bean casserole, so it went over big time. Everyone seemed to really like it. So we got through Thanksgiving meal, spent the afternoon. The boys, of course, fell asleep, but they were kind enough to clean off the table for me and help me load up the dishwasher 3 times. And the fridge is full. It's stuffed to the gills. You have to open it very carefully with the leftovers. which we will be eating off of today. Today and possibly even Saturday. I did send him a plate back since he has to work today. And he also had to end up taking our car again because his car now has the engine light on. So Friday morning, bright and early, my husband was the first one up. He got up, I don't know what time, but at 8 o'clock he told me that he was going to take Sean's car in and see why the engine light was on. So that's where he's at on Friday morning, and I'm out here feeding the animals and getting ready to make turkey salad from the leftovers and try to condense some of that food, because I got 2 plates of turkey. I want to condense that into at least 1. Yes, she's got some Thanksgiving turkey. Now she's spoiled and thinks that she should have Thanksgiving turkey on every meal. So that is what we did this week. Also, my doors for my fireplace are in, but he doesn't have time to install them until sometime about another week and a half. So in a week and a half, I should have my fireplace doors in place before Christmas. So I hope you've had a good Thanksgiving. Hope you're enjoying the leftovers. And remember, dream big, follow that dream, stay busy, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Bye, everybody.